Today we are on Romeo Foxtrot, a 116 Hargrave custom yachts. What we want to explain to you is that now that we've got lots of bandwidth available and available at an affordable price, we're able to change the way we're designing entertainment systems. In the old days, we had a TVRO antenna that probably cost $20,000, and then in every cabin we had a $500 satellite TV receiver, and then on top of that we had a crazy expensive control system to control all that. Well, now, using Starlink, 5G, and the MDS Blender, we have enough bandwidth coming at an affordable price that we can now eliminate the TVRO antennas and those decoders that have to go in every cabin. So as long as we've got a smart TV and the ability to control that smart TV, we can put apps on the TV that give you all the programming you used to get from the DirecTV satellite, but now you're getting them streamed through Starlink, 5G, and the MDS Blender. So when you're ready to make a change like that on your yacht, give us a call and we'll get you set up too.